Welcome everyone. In this video we are going to solve exercise 5.2. I hope you have watched the previous videos. If you don't, please watch it, so it would be easy to solve exercise. Okay, let's see question number 1. What we have given: using suitable variable, write the rule for following. So we have to use suitable variable and write the rule for the given statement. First statement is perimeter of square. First statement is perimeter of square. So we all know that perimeter of square is equal to what? 4 into side. And if I use any variable instead of side, just like z, 4 into z, and z is side of square. So this is our rule for finding perimeter of square. Your answer will be 4 into yes, or someone writes 4 into a. You in this question answer will be different. Okay, this we can use any variable, any suitable variable. Okay, just take in mind that this variable should be small letters. Okay, let's see again. Third one is, you can find second one. Third one is perimeter of rhombus. Perimeter of rhombus. So rhombus is just like a square whose all sides are equal. All sides are equal. So perimeter of rhombus is equal to 4 into side. So we can use any variable. I am using s. You can use anything, or I am using a. So just we have to mention that a is side of perimeter. Side of rhombus. Okay, this is how we are going to write the rules. Okay, let's see question number 2. What we have given: a regular polygon has each side s. रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन है, उसकी हर एक साइड की लेंथ कितनी है? यस है. एंड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ इट इज एक्सप्रेस्ड एज 5s. उसकी पेरीमीटर कितनी है? 5s. तो हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ साइड्स ऑफ अ पॉलीगॉन. व्हाट स्पेशल नेम इज गिवन टू इट. तो हमें क्या दिया है? पेरीमीटर दिया है, साइड दी है, ईच साइड कितनी है? 5 है. तो हमें क्या फाइंड करना है कि कितनी साइड्स है और उसका स्पेशल नाम क्या है. ओके, सो इन प्रीवियस वीडियो वी हैव सीन व्हाट पेरीमीटर ऑफ पॉलीगॉन is equal to n into sides. N is number of sides, where n is number of sides. And here we have given what we have given: perimeter of polynomial is equal to 5s. So number of side will be, this is side. Okay, and whenever we are finding perimeter, we multiply number of side by its sides. Okay, so number of therefore number of sides is 5. How many sides this polygon has? 5. Therefore we can write, and polygon with 5 sides is called pentagon, and its special name, its special name is pentagon. Okay, let's see question number 3. Okay, what we have given, an isosceles triangle has an unequal side as U and 2 equal sides are shown by E. Express the perimeter of the triangle using U and E. So question number 3, what we have given, we have a triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. 2 sides are equal, that is, this is E1, this is E and E, these are congruent sides, and one is unequal side, that is U. मतलब इन दोनों का मेजर सेम है, इन दोनों की लेंथ सेम है, इसकी अलग. तो हमारे पास फार्मूला क्या है? पेरीमीटर ऑफ ट्रायंगल is equal to sum of length of all sides. Sum of lengths of all sides. So we get sum of length, first side E, second side E, and third side E plus E is equal to 2E and plus U. So the perimeter, we can represent perimeter by using U and E as 2E plus U. Okay, this is how we are going to solve remaining problems. Okay, question number 4, what we have given, the side of a regular hexagon denoted by H, express the express the perimeter in terms of H. So what we have given, side of regular polygon, side of regular hexagon कितनी है? H है. Okay, so we have to find perimeter. First of all, we have to find what is meant by hexagon has hexa means 6 sides. Number of sides is 6. So we know that perimeter of any polygon, perimeter of polygon is n into side. So here n is equal to 6 and h is side. So therefore perimeter of hexagon is equal to 6 into h, that is 6h. Okay, I hope you understood it. Okay, so question number 5, we have given some properties. We have to identify this property and verify it using the given values of variables. Okay, so let's see. So first property is A into B is equal to B into A. So as we can see, this is commutative property of multiplication. A into B is equal to B into A. So our answer is, this is commutative property of multiplication. And now we have to verify it. So we have a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2. So just see, a into b means 3 into 2, we get 6, and b into a means 2 into 3. So this is equal, both sides are equal, hence verified. Okay, this is how we are going to verify this. Okay, again we have given b. What we have given, let's see, a into b minus c is equal to a into b minus a into c. This is distributive property of multiplication. Here a is multiplied by this number and this number, and here the sign between these two letters is minus. Therefore this is distributive property of multiplication. And over subtraction, इसके ऊपर subtraction. You can verify this, a into b minus c. So our a is, what we have given, a is 3, b is 2. 3 into 2 minus 5. So we get 3 into 2 minus 5 is minus 3, and we get minus 9. Now we are going to multiply a into b minus a into c. So a into b means a into 2 minus 3 into 2 and 3 into 5. So we get 6 minus 15, and 15 minus 6 is 9. Bigger number is 15, therefore minus. Okay, this is how we are going to solve this. I hope you all understood. Thank you.